Welcome, here I've got Poco M3 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on the first one, settings bar. Here we have aspect ratio settings. Now we are in 3 and 4 aspect ratio. Let's pick the left one, 1 and 1. And as you can see, the background has changed to the square one, and this is how it looks like. Another tap to the right corner and we can change it to 9 and 16 also. And in the camera preview it looks like that. And when we go again to the right corner we can pick also the full one. So this is the full aspect ratio of this camera. And of course when we tap here once again to the right corner we can easily go back to 3 and 4, the original one. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.